good morning to all of you. In the previous sessions, we have discussed about design of DC machine, various topics like construction of the DC machine, EMF equations, output equations, specific magnetic loading, vector reflecting, electromagnetic loading, selection of number of poles, various type of theories and equations we have to discuss. Now, today we have to solve some example regarding the design of this machine. So let's have start for this sessions. Example number 1. Find the main dimensions of generator rated for for 5 kilowatt. Right? It is the 5 kilowatt DC generator. Right? 4 pole 500 RPM 400 pole RPM is designed for a square pole phase for the following the data. Right? First, specific magnetic loading VEV is equal to 0.45 Weber per meter square. Second, specific electric loading AC is equal to 15,000 ampere vector per meter. Full load efficiency is equal to 85%. Ratio of pole R by pole piece is equal to 0.67 per square pole. Core length divided by 4R is equal to 1. Okay, so let's have start to solve this example. First we have to compute the given the data. आपके पास जो भी डेटा है न्यूमेरिकल्स में वो एक साइड में ले लो, कौन कौन से डेटा आपके पास अवेलेबल है और क्या फाइंड करना है. तो चलिए लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट गिवन डेटा P is equal to 5 किलोवाट का जो जनरेटर है उसका पावर कितना है, P is equal to 5 किलोवाट. 4 पोल मशीन आपकी जो भी डीजे जनरेटर है उसके अंदर जो पोल की काउंटिंग है वो 4 पोल मशीन and speed is equal to 1500 RPM. Specific magnetic loading is equal to 0.45 Weber per meter square. AC specific electric loading is equal to 15,000 ampere per meter. Full load efficiency is equal to 85%. Pole R by pole P is equal to 0.67. આજે બધા ડેટા છે એકને તમને બધા સિસ્ટમની અંદર તમને આપેલા છે. Now what have to find which data you can control or find the data. तो जो भी फाइंड डेटा करना है उनको डिसाइड करते हैं. आपको क्या फाइंड करना है, मेन डायमेंशंस मशीन्स डायमीटर एंड मशीन लेंथ, टोटल डायमीटर ऑफ आर्मेचर एंड टोटल लेंथ ऑफ द आर्मेचर. लेट्स हैव स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट the equation of the power output equations P is equal to C0 d square R ns. Right? So what is the value of P is equal to 5 kilowatt. That is the total power. But we have to conduct PA, means armature power. So how to find out the PA? The power developed by the armature PA is equal to output divided by efficiency. What is your output power? 5 kilowatt. And what is your efficiency? 85%. Right? That is the efficiency for 85%. Right? This is your efficiency. So your value of efficiency is 0.85. See, 5 divided by 0.85 is equal to 5.882 kilowatt. तो ये जो हुआ वो आपका PA, the value of PA is equal to 5.882 किलोवाट. ये आपका रहेगा आर्मेचर पावर. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज योर स्पीड? Speed is equal to 1.00 1500 RPM. Right? This is the speed is in form of RPM. So now you have to convert this speed in RPS form. So ns is equal to n divided by 60 is equal to 1500 divided by 60. 1500 divided by 60. It means 25 RPS, revolution per second. So NS is equal to 25 RPS. Next, find the output equations. So the PA is given, right? Okay. D square L you can find out, NS is given. So which value will be pending? C0. C0 means the output equations. So we have to calculate the output equation of output coefficients. So what is the equation of output coefficient? C is equal to pi square BEV AC cross 10 raised to minus 3. All the data is given in the formula. So C0 is equal to 3.14 square cross 0.45 cross 1.00 cross 10 raised to minus 3. So what is the value of C0 is equal to 66.62. Now PA, NS and C0, this three value is given. So this three value is putting on the power output equations. PA is equal to C0 square L NS. The power output equations, put all the value in power output equations like PA, C0, D square L NS. So what is the value of power PA armature power? So 5.8824 is equal to 66.62 cross D square L cross 25, because D square L is not given in the document because this is the find out value. So what is the equation? D square L is equal to 3.53 cross 10 to minus 3. This is not L or D, it is the combination of D square L. So you can find out the individual diameter and length. So let's have next step. The equation of pole P is equal to TP is equal to pi d by P, and the ratio of pole R divided by pole P is equal to 0.67. It is given in your data. Right? It is given in your data. So pole R divided by pole P is equal to 0.67. So pole R is equal to L. So L divided by TP is equal to 0.67. So what is the equation of TP? TP is equal to pi d by P. So put the value of TP in these equations. So L divided by pi d by P is equal to 0.67. So what is the formula? LP divided by pi d is equal to 0.67. Okay. So here L is equal to 0.67 pi d by P. Put all the value in this equation. Pi is given, D is not given, but what is the value of D? It is the unknown. P means the number of pole. So 0.67 cross 3.14 divided by 4. So what is the equation of final value? L is equal to 0.526 D. It is not a length because the diameter is unknown value. So what is the, put this value of L in above equations. D square L is equal to 3.53 cross 10 to minus 3. So D square, what is the value of L? This is the value of L, 0.526 DL. Put this value in here. 0.526 D is equal to 3.53 cross 10 to minus 3. So DQ is equal to 0.526. So what is the value of DQ? See, D is equal to 18.86 centimeter. That is your final answer of the diameter. So that is only diameter, not a length. So how to calculate the length? Put this value D in equations number here. So put the value of D in equation number here. So it is basically given of, put the value of D in equation number L is equal to 0.5. So L is equal to 9.92 centimeter. So that is your final answer, right? Okay. Now let's see example number 2. Estimate the specific electric loading and specific magnetic loading in design problem of 500 kilowatt lap pound 600 conductor 500 volt 6 pole 1450 rpm DC shunt generator. This is a really very important conditions for the DC shunt generator. The armature dimensions are given below. First, D is equal to 85 centimeter. L is equal to 35 centimeter. So given the data, आपको जो वैल्यू दिया हुआ है उसमें से कौन कौन सा डेटा आपको दिया हुआ है, तो हम उसको डिराइव कर लेते हैं। P is equal to 500 kilowatt, 6 pole machine, N is equal to 1450 RPM, voltage V is equal to 500, Z, that is equal to total number of conductors is equal to 600, D means diameter, it's not a 75, it's a 85, that is the some mistake. L is equal to 20 centimeter, it's not a 70 centimeter, it's a 35 centimeter, that is the some mistake. So find the data. VAV is equal to specific magnetic loading and AC is equal to specific electric loading. Right? How to calculate these two values? Let's see. To find AC is equal to specific electron, so first we have to calculate the AC. What is the equation of AC? AC is equal to IZ into Z divided by pi D. Right? To find the armature current IA. Why armature current IA? Let's also see. IA is equal to P by V. What is the P? P means your power. 500 kilowatt. It means 500 cross 1000 divided by 500 is equal to 1000 ampere. What is the IA is equal to 1000 ampere. So find out current per parallel path IZ. How to find out IZ? IZ is equal to IA divided by P. Now let's see what is the IA. This is a really important condition, so we have to find out the IA because the IZ is really very necessary to find out. Why? Because this is the AC is equal to IZ into Z. Z is given, pi is given, D is given, but IZ is not given. So it's not possible without IZ. We have to conduct the specific electric loading. That's why I have to solve armature current. IZ is equal to IA by P. Put the value of IA and P. So what is the IA? 1000 and P is equal to 6. So what is the IZ? 166.6666 ampere. So what is the IZ value? AC is now put this value of above equations. AC is equal to IZ into Z divided by pi into D. AC is equal to put the value of IZ 166.666 multiplication. What is the Z? Z is number of conductors 600. Pi is equal to 3.44 and D is equal to 85. So what is the final answer of AC? 42441 ampere conductor per meter. This is your final answer for the specific electric load. Right? Now next, specific magnetic loading. Find specific magnetic loading. So what is the equation of specific magnetic loading? VAV is equal to P pi divided by pi dl. P pi divided by pi dl. Which data is given? P is given, but pi is not given. Pi is given, D is given, L is given, but phi is not given. So how to calculate the flux? Phi equals to flux. So how to calculate flux? So VEV is equal to so first find the flux because the flux value is not given in the above equations. So using the EMF equations we conduct or we calculate the flux. N is equal to 1455 RPM speed. So it's converted in RPS. So NS is equal to N divided by 60 is equal to 1450 divided by 60 is equal to 25 RPS. So NS is equal to 25 RPS. So what is the equation of EMF? E is equal to P phi Zn by A. Put all the value. So P phi is equal to EA by Zn. What is the E? E means the voltage. What is the value of voltage? 500 cross A is number of parallel path. E is equal to number of parallel. This is a left form. So E is equal to P. It's a 6. That number of conductor and speed. So what is the answer? 0.2 Weber. So VAV is equal to P phi divided by pi dl. So what is the value of P phi? 0.2 Weber per meter square. 0.2 divided by pi D and L. So what is the value? 0.425 Weber per meter square. So that is the final answer of VAV. Right? So this is a really very easy example for regarding a specific electric loading. You can find electric loading, magnetic loading, dimensions of the armature, like diameter, length. It's really very easy example according to previous lecture. Thank you. Thank you very much.